Join me as I dive into the world of fusion power and see if I can figure out how it could change everything we know about energy. Fusion power, the holy grail of energy solutions, has been a topic of discussion for decades. It's the process of combining to light atomic nuclei to form a heavier nucleus, releasing a massive amount of energy in the process. This is the same process that powers our sun, and scientists have been trying to harness it for years. The world is facing an energy crisis. Our reliance on fossil fuels is not only finite, but also a major contributor to climate change. We've been burning coal, oil, and gas at an alarming rate, and it's taking a toll on our planet. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events are just a few of the consequences. The need for a sustainable energy solution has never been more pressing. Traditional energy sources have their limitations. Fossil fuels are not only running out, but they're also a major polluter. Nuclear power, on the other hand, produces no greenhouse gas emissions, but it does produce radioactive waste. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are becoming increasingly popular, but they're intermittent and can't always meet our energy demands. The current energy landscape is a complex one. We're using more energy than ever before, and our current energy sources just aren't cutting it. This is where fusion power comes in, a potential game changer in the quest for sustainable energy. So, how does fusion power work? Simply put, it's a process that replicates the sun's energy production by combining isotopes of hydrogen. Typically deuterium and tritium, we can create a massive amount of energy. The advantages of fusion power are numerous. It's clean, sustainable, and virtually limitless. Recent advancements in technology have made it more viable than ever before. One of the most promising approaches to fusion power is the tachomic. This device uses magnetic fields to contain and heat the plasma, allowing the fusion reaction to take place. Another approach is the stellarator, which uses a twisted, three-dimensional magnetic field to contain the plasma. Scientists have been working tirelessly to improve these technologies, and recent breakthroughs have brought us closer to achieving commercial fusion power. A major breakthrough in fusion energy has been achieved by a team of scientists at a leading research facility. Their project, known as ITER, or the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, aims to demonstrate the feasibility of fusion power on a large scale. This project has the potential to change the landscape of energy production forever. The implications of fusion power are huge. If we can harness it, we could provide a significant portion of the world's energy needs. This would greatly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and help mitigate climate change. The potential for a cleaner, more sustainable future is exciting. In conclusion, fusion power has the potential to transform the way we produce energy. With its clean and sustainable nature, it's an attractive solution to our energy crisis. I'd love to hear your thoughts on fusion power. Do you think it as the future of energy? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about energy innovations, be sure to check out my related videos. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.